Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to cover how to turn on and set up Message Sneak Peek in Gist. Before we begin, I have to actually cover a very important issue. If you decide to use Message Sneak Peek in your Gist, it means that you will most likely not be compliant with the European legislation GDPR. If you are primarily based in the EU or if you deal with a lot of site traffic from the EU, this will be an issue. If not, it may not be, but you should definitely consider that before turning on Message Sneak Peek on your website. Okay, let's get into it. First things first, after you log into your Gist account, you're going to go to Settings. And then in the left sidebar, you're going to see Messenger. And you're going to go down to Advanced under the Messenger heading. Click it, and you'll see several options there on the Advanced menu. And one of them is Message Sneak Peek. And it gives a brief description to see what the visitor is typing in real time before they actually hit send. All you would do is click this, and then Message Sneak Peek would be enabled in your Conversations tab. The main benefit of Message Sneak Peek is for your support reps. Your reps can actually see what customers are typing before they hit send, which would allow them to develop an answer quicker. So if someone is having an issue with a feature on your app, your rep can quickly find the knowledge base article or reference material or docs to send while they're still typing. And once they hit send, you can hit send on your KB article, and it dramatically reduces the amount of support time, which is great. There are other benefits that we won't cover today, but we are super excited about Message Sneak Peek, and we hope you are too.